Yes.
I'm calling you from the Pan-African Express and you just won the Pan-African lottery.
Ah, yes!
The sum of 10,000 Liberian dollars.
Ah! $10,000!
Yes, ma. I'll be sending you your redemption details.
Okay. Thank you. I'll come. Thank you. $10,000. Callistus. Why are you running?
What kind of nonsense is this one now? Do I know what is chasing you?
I don't hammer. Callistus, I don't hammer. Hey! See, I play one lottery and they called me just some minutes back and they said that I have won Callistus $10,000.
Did you say dollars?
$10,000, Callistus.
And I'm very sure they told you to bring money to retrieve your prize, Abby.
No, that one no phone, no, Callistus. All I need to do is go to their office and claim my money. That's all.
How much did you say that dollars was again?
$10,000.
So that's like how much in that?
That's why I came. So like, let me check.
$3.6 million naira. Philo?
Hold me.
Philo, we don't make her.
Please.
We've made it.
Please don't worry.
You want to kill yourself before the money comes? Come. Let me tell you something. See, you have to calm down. This is not how the Dangotes behave. We have to start acting rich. You understand? So see, this is our money now, eh?
We is one.
Philo and Callistus, now you and I now. Understand? See, let's go to one conducive environment. Understand? Let me tell you how we are going to go and get this money, how to spend it, how to. Philo, let's go, Abby.
Okay, sir.
Afternoon. Bring 2 plates of semo and egusi for us. Or you want to eat something else?
Okay. The money never even comes. If you don't spend money.
Relax now. Why your blood dey hot? Bro. See, I know that I'm giving you some money back then, but see, don't worry. This is just like an investment. You are going to get plenty money. When I come back, I'll pay you for the old debts and for this one. And I'll even give you small money for being loyal and understanding.
Trust you.
Correct guy. So calm down now. Right now, see, we need like 2 bodyguards. 2 big bags. You know the money is going to be very plenty.
What are we doing with bodyguards? What do you need bodyguards for?
They are coming to Pandia. What do people do with bodyguards now? Don't you know the money is plenty? See, this is our money. We have to pull up in style and let them understand that we are capable of spending this money.
We again. Callistus, now help you, they help me. No come hijack the whole thing.
I understand now. Just to show you way forward now. You understand? You know my person now.
Kali!
When these people come now. You know, wait, when they bring the you know they chop the money, but after I tell you sick, we never collect the money.
Not my money. And you win now. Sorry. You follow me there.
I want to buy 1 hour of your time for protection. Understand? So how much is it?
Okay, it's going to be 20,000 naira each per hour.
That's okay.
It's too much now. Price it.
Too much. See, act like someone that is rich. It's not being like a poor person. It's no price. It's not even to your price. Okay. See, this mission is a protection mission. I want you guys to bring your A game. It's a serious business. So. Understand?
I'll just consider it done.
No problem.
It's too much now. Price it.
Never play with my money, never play with my hustle. Street, yeah. I don't see nothing funny. You don't want me to hurt you. Street, yeah. All day, anytime. Street, what? Money on my mind. I Street,
Driver.
Sir.
I want to buy 1 hour of your time. How much is it?
5,000 naira per hour, sir.
5,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
Move this car. Let's go.
Okay.
Young woman, We are here to collect our money and make it fast, please.
Our again.
Sorry, our money. Understand? Be fast about it.
Madam, see this bag. I want you to put all the money inside here. So I know it's small, but when the money comes back,
you need it though. You don't know the kind of money you are talking.
Don't mind that. You don't know.
Please, you need to sign this form. I also need your national ID.
You guys should be ready for heavy lifting. Understand? The money is coming. Understand?
Is this your own? Yes, please. That's fine.
Chest out. Nice, correct.
I also need your national ID card, please.
That's not a problem now. Just be fast about the money. The money is our problem.
See.
You don't know.
I don't know. Madam, hurry. You don't keep billionaires.
Be fast now.
Okay, here it is.
Guys, understand?
19,210 naira, equivalent of 10,000 Liberian dollars.
Like what?
Liberian dollars.
What's Liberian dollar doing in our own dollar? The dollar you told me about. You not.
Wait, madam, no. It's dollar. No, like they call dollars. So like.
Yes, Liberian dollars. Liberian dollars.
Philo, she did not put Liberia in the dollar. The only dollar I know is US dollar. Philo.
Is this wait? What is wait? Madam, wait, see. You remember that day, ba? I was outside my house,
Yes.
It's you that call me, oh. You remember, ba? It's you that call me, ba? You now say hello, I say hello. You now say, is this Philo? I say yes. You remember, ba? You now say I win dollars, like $10,000. You remember?
Yes, I said 10,000 Liberian dollars.
I know, Mumu. You did not say Liberia. You did not call Liberia.
Philo. Canteen food.
Hey.
Philo. Money for car that we rented. Philo. Money for bouncers. Philo. We are dead. Philo.
Okay, what did happen for you?
Nothing. We try to make a.
Excuse you get money to pay us.
Yes, now we are trying to get the money, but the money is not coming to us.
This guy they talk too much. This guy they use.
No, I'm not talking too much. I'm not talking too much now.
No. Madam, what's happening is that the
Move this guy. Move this guy.
The dollar now. It's not Liberian dollar we are talking about. Sir. So we can stop this now. Let's talk straight now. We are just trying to explain this guy.
Madam, is this truly all the money?
Yes.
Hey! Madam, you see this hair, ba? You know this hair now? I collect this hair on credit. I have not even paid.
Okay.
See, madam, I beg you with anything you serve, I beg. Can you take this hair? You pay it on black market price. I beg, madam, I die with you. Madam, I die with you. I beg, madam, I beg, madam, I beg you. Madam, I beg you. Madam, I beg you. Now you go church. I beg, madam. I beg. Hey, madam, you go kill him. Madam, they will kill him. They will kill.
Excuse me, please.
Yawadel. Everywhere you go, Yawadel.
Hello, thank you for watching today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so I have more episodes coming your way. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share. Please, very important to subscribe, and also do well to click on the notification button so that you get notification of more of the exciting episodes coming your way. So before I continue, wait, cut. Callistus, wait. Callistus, bring. Callistus, wait. Don't swallow that thing. Vomit.